Hello everybody, I can hear you saying another review. Yes, that's the last one. I received these two products, first aid kits, and I will try to show you what's inside. So if you are interested, stay with me. So let's start with this 150 pieces kit. As you see, it's nicely sealed in plastic, which I really like. Everything should be new and clean. It's packed in very nice hardcover with the loop here for carabiner. Also, the zippers are very nice. So let's see what's inside. Wow, I did not expect that, to be honest. A lot of stuff. So let's see. On the right side we have scissors. They are important. Here are some bandages, plasters they call it. Very nice pack. So let's put it here. What's next? Instant cold compress. And this is triangular bandage. This side seems to be packed nicely as well. Wow, another extra pouch. We have carabiner, nice. So I will right away attach it at the outside, right here. Great. Claim your free car emergency hammer. Good, good. First aid primary care guide. That's nice. In this small pouch we also have a whistle. Very loud, good. Some safety pins and the tool for splinters and other small stuff. In this big pocket we have some alcohol pads, preparing pads. And this is vinyl gloves, one pair. Good. Here we have cotton swabs for hygiene or cleaning wounds. Tape, very important for many reasons, not only for emergency, but as well for survival. Next, here we have abdominal combined pad, 5 by 9 inches. These are gauze pads, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 2 by 2, and this one is iPad. Not the iPad, but iPad. And the last item is elastic confirming bandage. So, this is the content of the small 150 pieces emergency kit or first aid kit. I like it so far. It seems to be well thought out and it should help you with the minor injuries to little bit serious injuries for a while. Now let's see this 250 pieces kit. Again, nicely packed in plastic. This kit does not have the hard shell pouch as the previous one, but still it's fairly protected. And I believe this piece is highly reflective. Okay. This is a large kit, I like it. And this kit should contain some small extra pouch, so let's see where it is. First we will start on this side. So here are alcohol prep pads, usual stuff, and 2 packages of cotton swabs. This is the bandage pouch with all kinds of bandages. This middle pouch contains eye pads and gauze pads and some blister relief pad with some kind of pre-cut shapes. Very nice. I never seen this before or used, so it might become very handy for blisters. Here we have another whistle, very loud, and here is cotton wool ball, an emergency blanket, good addition for a lot of stuff, shelter, warm up, waterproof. And lastly, this big compartment, what we have here, and I believe this is the extra bonus little pouch. First aid kit Protect Life, 40 pieces. Very nice for everyday carry, perfect thing. Next we have instant cold compress pouch. And next we have protective cover for a mouth if you need to give breath to somebody else. Very good thing. Wow, very nice touch. We have compass and some extra safety pins. Another tape, good. Vinyl gloves, 2 pairs. Triangle bandage. Again, free car hammer. And this is another elastic gum forming bandage. Stainless tool to take out splinters. Scissors, bigger ones. Guide. And abdominal combined pad 5x9, large one. And this is light stick, good. And this is topical irrigation solution for burns and wounds. Not sure exactly what it is. Some of you are medics, so you know exactly what I'm talking about, but I have no clue. So this is all for the large 250 pieces kit. Again, extra things, well thought out. I would trust this kit to take it with me to some family trip or whatever. So here it is, 150 pieces kit and 250 pieces kit. Links for both products will be below. I believe they are well made and will help you in emergency for sure. Other thing I like about them, as you see, both has some kind of handles and they are not overflowing with stuff. So you can add yours like medicine or some pills or other stuff, which is very good and important as well. So thank you Protect Life for sending these products. I will use them going forward. One will be in my car and the other one will go with me on my trips. I honestly hope I will never need to use anything from it, but it's good to have it for sure. So guys, like I said, this was the last product video I had scheduled. Going forward, hopefully there will be the overnight trip. So I thank you for views, support, and if you want to stay tuned, you can subscribe and set up the notifications. And also there is possibility to support my channel with the merchandise or buying the patch. So I hope you all will have a nice end of the year, and until the next video, take care.